Oh, this is on the way home. That's a nice. Oh, it's a ball. It's a 302. Come on, boss. This is a 30. Okay. I'm putting 3 of them on it.
That's fine. I'm gonna try to go after this car.
This is on the way home.
Oh, they're turning. You gotta help me out over here, son. I can't see.
Yeah, I wouldn't go.
Okay. Tell me when.
I'd kind of sit here. No.
I'm not going nowhere, son.
I know this, woman. No, that's a big thing right there. I wouldn't go either. I can barely see.
I know.
Go. You stay on the left lane, though.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that guy.
Bro, it's halfway broken. That's sad. This is on the way home. Look
at all the sand and stuff in the road.
I know.
From washing out everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Little cars like that are going to start getting stuck eventually. And I'm going to laugh.
Alright, y'all, we're fixing to turn left on 218 to go home. Y'all gotta look at this creek again.
You can see the water pouring out of the church parking lot. Jeez. All the water's going down there, right? That's all going to go like right here. What's the second part of it?
Alright, here we go. Block truck.
Heck, just imagine if that fell over right now.
Oh god, I'd be mad.
That would suck. I think they're the loudest. Holy crap, that's a big puddle of water.
Okay, Shane, here. This creek. Look. Try to get on this side. Don't.
Phone's ringing. Don't answer it. I don't know.
Hello?
And she answered.
Hey. Yeah, we went by Black Creek. So, let me get home and call you back, okay? Bye. Alright, bye. Steady. Look, get over on this side.
I have this side, dude.
Because the people's house. Look at the people's house.
I know. Where's the house?
It's right here, but look at all the water up in the yard already. Look, the creek is right there. I'm telling y'all.
Jeez, that's pretty bad. Why are you keeping a fool? Oh, look at the little baby.
No.
Oh, I think that's it, right?
Yeah, because, well, let's see what's going on at the house. We might have something interesting out there.
Nah. There's a big puddle of water here, but that's usually not that high, ever.
No.
It usually just runs down the woods.